Let me show you how to properly use your LCD writing tablet. Also, I'll show you some cool tips and tricks that you actually need to know about this tablet. So the first time you actually get it to turn it on, really there is no on or off button, and this actually tablet has always on display, which actually doesn't consume any energy whatsoever. So we can pretty much like start to like write or draw something on the tablet right away. If you want to clear the image, we simply have to press this button, and as you see, we have a completely blank slate, and we can actually start to draw on this tablet, which is kind of cool. Also, with this tablet we actually get this stylus that we actually use to write with, but actually we can write basically with any like pointed object that's actually not too large. For example, you can take literally your pen, so obviously make sure you do not have the tip open, so we do not want to scratch. As you can see, I can actually like write with this pen as well. So maybe two kids want to draw on this thing, so one can easily use this styles provided, and you can simply take something else and write on it as well if you want. Absolutely cool. Then if you maybe want to protect this image that's actually like drawn over here, so it actually can't be deleted, on the back we actually have this protection switch, so we can simply engage it like this, so make sure it actually clicks, and if we try to delete, as you see, nothing really happens. So maybe you can like put it on a wall somewhere after you have a nice drawing, so that's actually kind of cool. Yeah, and if we disable it again, we can delete it. And also, if you are actually looking to purchase this tablet, I think AliExpress at the moment is the best place to get it. For example, if you are a new user on AliExpress, you can literally get it for like $1. So I'll actually leave a link in comments and descriptions where I actually got mine from. So you actually need to be kind of careful when you purchase these writing tablets, because some of them actually aren't as good as this model. So I think out of all of them, I think this is the best model. The regular price for this 8.5-inch size is like $4, something like that. So certainly it's like super inexpensive. But again, I'll leave a link where I actually purchased mine from. So this is the exact listing basically that you basically will get this tablet from, that I basically got it. Also, then if basically you can't delete this anymore, that simply means your battery has run out, and we can also replace the battery on this unit. But for that we will actually need a small screwdriver like this. So you see, we have a small screw over here, and we have to first unscrew the screw. So simply use a tiny screwdriver, and then basically, as you see over here, we can basically like pinch it like this and then pull it to remove this. So this actually uses this tiny CR2025 battery. So I will actually leave a link again in comments and descriptions where you can actually purchase these batteries for these tablets. Also check this, I have actually removed my battery, so you see the battery is here, so this actually doesn't have any power, but check this, we can still actually use this and still draw on this tablet. So this is the absolute magic tablet. So really it doesn't really consume any power whatsoever. So yeah, we can pretty much like draw, and this text actually will stay here on the tablet for pretty much forever. The only thing that the battery basically does, it erases basically. So it sends a current basically through the display, and basically that makes it like delete that. So you can still kind of use it even if you have like that battery for some time till you get a new one. And also, if you want to maybe save the image that's actually on your tablet, basically what I would suggest you is simply take your phone and literally take a picture of it. So it actually has like this like totally background. So if we take a picture and maybe go in the like crop tools, basically if we like crop only the image, basically the background actually looks like yeah, it doesn't look like bad at all. So I guess if you want to save some nice images that someone has drawn on this, literally take your phone and capture it that way. So we can't really save it and like export from this tablet. And yeah, overall this tablet is actually absolutely amazing, and when we look at the price of it, it's absolutely like completely crazy what kind of technology we actually get. And also the build quality overall of this tablet also is like really good. So it's very lightweight, so we can put it pretty much anywhere. Again, yeah, it doesn't really use any power, we do not have to charge or do any other stupid stupid thing. So absolutely awesome thing. Again, if you are like a new user, you can literally get it for like $1 with free shipping. Absolutely crazy. So I'll leave a link where you can get it. But again, the normal price is around only like $4 anyway on this thing. So absolutely crazy price. Anyway, good luck guys.